All right. Hi, guys. This is Miss Tab. I am here to show you how to utilize our new lesson plan format. So it looks like this, and it is in Google Slides. If you want to get the app, you can. You don't have to. So on the top here are all working links that will link you to another page within the slides. And then if you see a star, it is a link to something. It could be a YouTube video. It could be a video of me. It could be a page to print off or just something to look at, okay? And then the Zoom links are right here. All right, so we are coming back to school tomorrow, or we are going to be live online in the e-learning classroom tomorrow. The first thing I want you to do is do the attendance, and then you're going to join our morning meeting. So the Zoom links are right here. You would just click on just like before, and you would join our classroom, okay? All right, so going back to Tuesday, then you would click on reading, and it would tell you what we're going to do for that day. There's some independent practice things that you can do. The Zoom meeting is at 10 o'clock. You must do 15 minutes of Lexia and the reading assignment. Turn in, there will be a student questionnaire, and then a 14.1 workbook page. Heggerty, this is a link to me doing Heggerty. This would be independent work. Letter sounds is also independent work, and reading 15 to 20 minutes a day is also independent work. And then the printable workbook pages, I do know we have some friends who need to print them at home still because they are not in the state yet. So this is how you get to that. And then up here, we'll have a brief overview of what we're going to be learning for that day. Okay? So Heggerty is a YouTube link. Letter sounds is also a YouTube link. And then down here for reading, it does link you to another page here on our Google Slides. You can do Epic. You can do these random books that it will take you to, random read aloud books, and those send you to links too. So sports, unicorns, and then there are the Harry Potter chapter books. I thought this was pretty cool. If your parents let you do Harry Potter, you can totally do this. So you click on the book, and then it takes you to audio books. So there are no pictures. It's just listening, which is great. And then if you click on Harry Potter here, it should, or it was, I'll have to fix that, taking you to some ebooks. So let me figure that out, okay? So now I'm going to go back here, go to Tuesday, Lexia 15 minutes, ST Math 15 minutes, and then Epic. Here is where if there is a picture that I would want you to click on, and it could be a video of me talking about what to do for that day. All right, so then there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, and then Friday. So on Fridays, that's a catch-up day. Teachers do have to work, so we call it an independent learning day for you guys. So if you need to catch up on Lexia minutes, ST Math minutes, catch up on any Zern lessons or reading assignments, this would be the day to do that. The only thing I require is to catch up here and then also do attendance. So if you have caught up and you're good for the week, pat yourself on the back. The only thing that you have to do is attendance, and then I would like for you to read for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? And then over here, extras, I don't have anything there. Specialty was just the books, and then I'm gonna move myself up here to go to links. So I do anticipate us having some new friends join us. So this would be an easy way to just push this out to new families, tell them a little bit about like what we're expecting and how to get things. So there's the Clever app, and then you log in with your QR code or your child's Google email and password. And then this is the app that gets you to Lexia, ST Math, and Zern. This is the only way that you should be able to log in, and this is the only way that you will get credit for your work is if you log in through the Clever, because teachers have to log in through Clever too, and it's all linked in one beautiful place to where I see your progress, I see what you're struggling with, and I see what you're excelling at. Self-service here, the app looks like this. It is our school's iPad app store. So it does have an app store, but you can't use it. So you need to use self-service to get any app that is required for e-learning. Or if I want us to try something out, I might be like, hey, go to self-service and get this app, and we're going to try it out. Okay? So this is what it looks like. And then Epic. It is an online reading platform that I like to use. I know other teachers like to use Myon. I just think that Epic is a lot more fun. It's like a Netflix for books. I can push out books to you, and you can go to your mailbox that's on the home screen, and you will be able to, do those. So there are some books that read to you, and then some books that you read, some books that have quizzes at the end. It's just so cool. Plus, I get a little report, and I share it with you guys that we've read so many books for so many hours. I can turn on the videos, so there's some fun videos that you can watch. And pretty much it's just a lot more user friendly, and you get badges, and they have some competitions throughout the year. So that is super fun. And this is what the app looks like. And our class code is THC0822. And then I want you to click on your name and you can start reading. Please do not click on other people's names. That's not very kind. And we want to make sure that we're only in our own account, okay? And if you don't have an account on there with your name, please let me know and I will get you added. Okay, so things on here should be updated for the most part. If there's no like little snapshot of what we're doing for that day, don't worry, I do have it planned. I just didn't have enough time to put it in. If you have any questions about anything here, how to use anything, let me know. Let me know if a link doesn't work. I had some friends check it out for me, but we might have missed it too. But thanks for watching. I hope this works out better for us, and I can't wait to see you guys.